Alright, y'all, so let me bring you up to speed. We've been doing a bunch of stuff already today. Crystal had a doctor's appointment. I went to the gym and I trained arms. It was a killer arm workout. Then I went into a screen printing shop, made a bunch of headway with the apparel line, which will hopefully be rolling out before too awful long. And then Crystal's package just came in, and this is how we're opening the vlog with Crystal's new shoes. You excited?
Started.
What you got? Atomics.
I'm so excited. I really hope they fit. Ooh!
Lifting
so
shoes.
They're so pretty.
You like them?
Yeah, I do. There's not as much red as I thought, so that's perfect.
Put them on your feet and see what we got.
I've never had official lifting shoes in my life, so I'm really, really excited to see if this could possibly help or change the way I lift with my deadlifts and my squats specifically. I really hope they fit.
Barefoot action going on here.
Yeah, okay, and my band-aid's just falling off. Sweet.
Look like Keto Savage or something.
Or something. These are actually, you can use them for wrestling, jiu-jitsu, martial arts, boxing, wrestling, weightlifting, powerlifting, all. It is pretty much made as like the most functional shoe you can get.
I love mine. Mine's a different brand though.
Yeah, these are completely different brands.
Same
the brand
thing,
that
though.
Robert likes doesn't really carry very many females. There's actually not very many female lifting shoes, period, but heck yeah! Wow.
You like them?
I'm so excited.
Like
Not so sure how I feel about how large they are, but
I like them, baby.
I do like them a lot.
We're headed to my uncle's warehouse to pick up a pallet of ingredients and some more labels. I just left my uncle's warehouse. I got all the stuff that I needed. We got more coming in on Monday. We're doing a launch on Sunday. Let me make that very clear. We're doing a launch on Sunday. Get ready. I don't know what time it's going to be yet. I'll let you know. Crystal's going to take the camera and go to Lowe's. See you in a bit. Love you.
Love you. Alright guys, so Robert's totally done this to me before, where literally all I was getting was totes or like bins from Lowe's, only we were in Fayetteville that time. So I'm not going to take you guys into the store with me because, well, you don't have to see the totes to feel involved. So, I'm going to leave you guys in the car. I'll be back in a bit. Okay, well, I look like poop today. I just came to realize that. But, I almost wish I brought you guys, and I wish so badly I had like a GoPro or something because I looked like a crazy person grabbing 9 of those 40-gallon bins and dragging them because there was no carts for me to use. So I had everybody's attention in there, which was really embarrassing. I'm actually really grateful I did not bring this Gigantor camera, or that would have just drawn more attention. But I had this little guy, super sweet of him to offer, but it is funny how people just think naturally women cannot do things. But he offered very nicely to help me, and I said, no thank you, my car's right there. I totally got it. I appreciate it though. And he got in his truck, drove around to the van because he didn't think I was gonna be able to put it in the van by myself. And I lifted that puppy up and just stuck it in there. He rolls down his window with his little accent. He's like, it don't look like you need no help, ma'am. You strong. And drove off. And then there's another little guy that was behind him, and he's like, you're what did he say? He said, you're a strong little lady. So that was my adventure into Lowe's, and I just grabbed myself a coffee. I'm gonna go back. We have a meeting or a call type thing to do in about 45 minutes, so I'm gonna get back to do that. And sorry this was not super exciting, but heck, you got a good story out of it.
Alright y'all, it's getting late. We're gonna swing by the kitchen and see what everybody's up to. Make sure they're actually working, earning their wages. CJ!
What's going on, man?
You earning your wages, man? Working hard or hardly working?
Huh?
Look like you're killing it, bro. I've never seen somebody clean a tray like that.
Thank you, bro.
CJ drew a picture of me earlier today, that's me.
Get out of here!
Why? What are you doing?
Talking about you.
Look at all these bricks. Look at all these bricks. Yeah. When are we gonna launch these things, Dylan?
When?
Yeah.
Sunday.
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 Hey Robert.
What,
Where are
Corey?
your sleeves?
What?
Where are your sleeves on that vest?
Where are my sleeves?
Vests don't have sleeves.
Yeah, I'm sleeveless vest.
You just want to show off your arms, don't you?
That's right. Dylan, what time on Sunday?
I don't know actually.
Noon Central.
Noon Central, Sunday.
Give everybody a sales pitch as to why they should get a brick.
Why they should? Why not?
Why not?
It's a 1,000-calorie brick.
1,000 calories.
They're good.
They give you wings.
Yeah.
You think Red Bull gives you wings? Nah.
No.
These give you wings. Isn't that right, Corey?
I can't condone that as a lawyer. That might be brand stealing.
No.
But yes.
Alright, y'all. So today's vlog, we're going to talk about... We don't really know what we're going to talk about, honestly. Crystal and I have been brainstorming. That person yesterday at Whole Foods wants us to make an intro video to the keto diet, so we're going to do that. So today's video is going to introduce us making an introduction video to the keto diet. Alright, y'all. So I was getting a little cocky with my employees. I said, if y'all can outshoot me on the bow, I'll give you, out of 6 arrows, I'll give you like a bonus or something. Dylan has accepted the challenge. I'm gonna do a $50 bonus, bro. You aiming for the tag?
No.
We'll give him a couple practice shots before we start running. How many practice shots you need?
Should only be, hopefully, just after this one.
Just after this one, we got it, huh? That's pretty good. So Dylan's giving me an honest run for my money over here. Crystal is just hard at work with her laptop. And what are you drinking there, baby?
I'm eating eggs and turkey.
Eggs and turkey. I drink my eggs and turkey in a cup too.
If someone helped me with the dishes, I wouldn't be eating out of a cup.
Ooh. Alright, y'all. The vlog is over. It's done. Today is today. There's gonna be another vlog tomorrow, obviously, but this is the last clip of today's vlog. We're going to do an intro to keto vlog. I didn't even think to make one of those because you get so like in the tunnel vision of the keto space, and you're getting deep, and you don't even think to make like an introductory video to someone that has never even heard of keto. So we're gonna make one of those, and we're gonna be able to have that to give to people that we run into that might want to know a little bit more information. That said, today was a good day. It's pretty cool to be able to like shoot arrows with Dylan and just kind of chill after he clocked out and the work was done. Honestly, it's the coolest thing ever to be able to like build a business, be able to provide a cool working environment for the people that work in the business, and everybody just work cohesively towards a common goal that will result in something that y'all can benefit and enjoy, aka the keto bricks. So I'm happy about that. I'm very excited about what we're doing here. I'm excited about everything that's going on. I made pretty good headway today with the apparel stuff. So like I said, I keep teasing that, and I don't mean to tease because I don't want to, you know, put the cart before the horse. But the apparel thing is on the forefront of my mind. We're going to get that running. So let me know what kind of stuff y'all want to see first. You know, the basic shirts, hats, etc., etc. Just let me know. And we will see you tomorrow. So good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite.